What's up, guys and girls? Today I have a special prank coming at you. I've had about 24 requests to put flour in Nikki's hairdryer, and I'm sure you all saw the KoolAid prank, so today she's gonna get it. I'm gonna load this stuff up and we're gonna see what happens. Alright guys, so here's the final product. Not too much to look at right now, but I'm just gonna set it over here and wait for Nikki to get up and take a shower. You can thank the YouTube fans for that one.
What?